Hey everyone, today we're going to be making this geode resin painting, so stay tuned if you'd like to learn how to make one yourself. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm just laying out my crushed glass and we're just kind of placing it to see where exactly we would like it. We got this crushed glass from Michael's and I'll be listing the link down below. Then I am going ahead with my hot glue gun and just creating glue lines so that my glass does not move all over my canvas and so it kind of stays in place. And of course, like any other project, you guys can make this one your own and lay out your crushed glass wherever you'd like it. You don't have to follow this design pattern exactly. You can just do whatever you like. I'm also putting this fire glass along with my crushed glass in the mix, and I've been using this fire glass more than anything lately to do these DIYs just because it's a lot thicker and you get a lot more product for your money. So I will be listing the link for this down below because the only place I found it so far is in on Amazon, because I've checked in Walmart, I've checked at Hobby Lobby, I've checked everywhere, and I couldn't find it anywhere else other than Amazon, so I will list the link for that down below. Now I'm mixing together equal parts of my resin, and you want to make sure to stir this up really well. And once you have that stirred, you just want to pour it over your crushed glass. Now we're going to go in with our first paint, which is this bronze acrylic paint. And of course, you can go in with any color you'd like and mix that in with equal parts of resin once again. And just go ahead and pour your first color wherever you'd like it on your canvas. We also poured some gold glitter over our bronze paint for some extra razzle dazzle. This option is, of course, optional. And then I went ahead and mixed together my second color, which was white, and poured in some pearl effect powder in there, and I'll link that down below as well because it does look really nice on your canvas mixed in with other paints. So I'm just creating a little bit more barriers here for the paint not to just go all over the place. So I'm just creating some glue barriers and pouring in my second color. And what you see me doing here with the other side of my brush is I'm just spreading out my paint a little bit just because it was a little thick. So I'm just going ahead and spreading that around. So now you're going to go ahead and fill the empty spaces of your canvas with any colors you'd like. For this specific painting, I'm sticking with bronze, gold, white, and I'll just be filling up my canvas with those colors, but of course you can pick whichever colors you like. By the way, I'm using the other end of my paintbrushes because I forgot to grab popsicle sticks, but yeah, I definitely recommend grabbing some popsicle sticks. Last minute, we also decided to add some silver to this painting just because we think the colors will all blend together really nicely. Now it's time for our hot gun, and the hot gun is what really makes our painting kind of come together, and the acrylic paints all mesh together for that marbleized effect. So you just have to be very patient with this step because depending on how thick your paint is, it might be a little hard for you to get your paint to migrate across your canvas. So a trick for this is you want to make sure you don't pour too much acrylic paint into your resin mix. And I was guilty of this, so this did take a really long time to dry, but I definitely recommend you guys not going too thick with the paint just because it's going to be really hard to get the colors to mix together. And as you can see, I am adding in some more paint along the way as needed and any spots that I feel were kind of dry and needed some more love. Next, we're going to add our gold foil, and this gold foil is super metallic. The only thing is it gets really messy, so I definitely recommend using tweezers like we attempted to before we kind of just gave up and kind of just place it around with our fingers, but it definitely can get messy. The foil is very, very, very thin, so using tweezers would be ideal, and you can just place this foil anywhere really that you want to add a pop. To finish up, I'm adding some clear resin wherever I feel is needed and over any dry patches. And here is our end result. I hope you guys enjoyed.